The Honda Crosstour showcases a spacious liftback design, offering more cargo space than traditional sedans. This versatility effectively meets the needs of drivers who prioritize both comfort and practicality. Initially, the Crosstour faced disappointing sales, yet it delivers robust performance through its available 6-cylinder engine, which produces over 200 horsepower. This impressive output significantly enhances the overall driving experience. Known for its reliability, many Honda Crosstour models can surpass 200,000 miles without significant issues. Regular maintenance is crucial for ensuring their longevity and optimal performance. The Honda Crosstour shares its powertrain with the Accord, which helps keep repair costs low thanks to the wide availability of parts. This aspect increases its appeal for potential buyers considering practicality. When evaluating a used Honda Crosstour, it is vital to inspect the electronic features, as minor electrical issues have been reported. Thoroughly testing all controls prior to purchase can mitigate potential inconveniences down the line. Although it occupies a niche market, well-maintained Honda Crosstour models can typically be found priced between $3,000 and $8,000. This cost-effective option encapsulates Honda's renowned reliability and versatility. The Mazda 6 features responsive steering and a finely tuned suspension, significantly enhancing agility and cornering stability compared to its competitors. This driving experience often rivals those associated with luxury brands. Potential buyers can choose between a standard engine and a turbocharged variant, with the latter providing impressive horsepower and torque, marking it as one of the fastest options in its class. Inside, the Mazda 6 impresses with high-quality materials and modern design, delivering an upscale ambience that surpasses many rivals, all while featuring advanced technology elements. The Element, with its spacious and configurable interior, appeals particularly to dog owners and outdoor enthusiasts who require flexibility in their vehicles. This thoughtful design enhances practicality during outdoor adventures. A notable advantage of the Element is its washable interior, facilitating easy maintenance after rugged excursions. This durability significantly benefits individuals who enjoy outdoor activities. Despite its limited mainstream success, the Element remains a budget-friendly option in the used car market. This affordability attracts buyers in search of dependable vehicles at reasonable costs. The Subaru Legacy features a symmetrical all-wheel drive system that enhances traction and control across diverse driving conditions, instilling confidence in drivers during inclement weather. This quality distinguishes it within the mid-size sedan segment. Inside, the Legacy offers a spacious and durable interior with generous trunk space, making long drives comfortable for all passengers. It adeptly balances everyday usability with performance requirements. Despite its merits, the Legacy struggles to gain mainstream popularity due to the rising preference for crossovers and SUVs. Consequently, this situation has resulted in lower resale values, presenting a bargain for used car shoppers. The 2009 Acura TSX masterfully combines sportiness with affordability, delivering an engaging driving experience without compromising on quality or reliability. It remains a strong choice for those in pursuit of performance in a sedan. The 2014 Ford Flex stands out due to its practicality and spacious design, featuring a unique crossover layout that caters to families and road trip enthusiasts alike. Its overall affordability is further boosted by lower resale values compared to its rivals. The Ford Flex boasts customizable seating options and impressive cargo capacity, accommodating up to 7 passengers and making it ideal for transporting larger items. Its smooth ride and robust engine options only enhance its attractiveness.